Good morning, grade sixes, and welcome to our technology lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to look at the bedroom that you've created for Lindy, and we're going to do some evaluation and communication on that. Do you remember this activity where I gave you a set of questions to assist you with your design brief, and I also asked you to sketch some designs for Lindy's room? You will need a picture of this activity. I have given you a scenario, or should I say a case study, where you managed to investigate what the problem was, and I gave you an opportunity to get into some design, and that's when you had this, the design brief, and you also did some sketching, and you brought materials to school, and we created our bedroom in the box for Lindy. And well done to all of you. You've worked so hard, and I love your bedrooms. Now, on the two stages that we are still to explore, which is evaluate and communicate, let us take a look at what needs to be done there. You're going to evaluate Lindy's bedroom, which you have created. This will require you to go back to the first activity we have done and look at the design brief and the sketches you have created. Please do take a picture of that because this must be included in your presentation. While you edit, make a list of all your challenges. You can do this on your computer or on a piece of paper. It really doesn't matter. But do remember what you went through and when did you feel like giving up and all of that, all the challenges that you went through. Please list those for me. And answer this question for me. If you were given another chance to create a bedroom for Lindy, what would you change? What would you add? Or what would you remove? Or perhaps you've already done that. You probably did not follow your design brief and the sketches you created in the first place. Maybe you can just mention a little bit of why you changed certain things from the beginning, or why you added certain things, or why you removed certain things. And the last question that you need to include is that you need to explain how you collected your information. You need to explain how you show me your pictures and give me the reasons of some of your ideas and the use of materials. And if you want to add more information, you are more than welcome to do that. You can add more information on your presentation. Let's look at your actual task. You might be a little bit overwhelmed right now, sitting where you are, thinking, what am I actually required to do? Let's look at your task. First, you are going to create a presentation using any app of your choice. Remember when I said to you, the evaluate and communication stages are an opportunity for you to blow my mind, take me through your journey. So I'm giving you a chance to use any app of your choice. Okay? On this app, make sure that I can see your pictures, I can hear your voice, and I can see your face. This might not be happening all at the same time. You might show me your pictures and I can hear your voice at the same time, and later on you can just show me your face, maybe on your conclusion, or maybe at the beginning show me your face and then have a voiceover of your pictures and explaining what you went through, and then at the end I'd like to see your face again. So it might not be happening simultaneously, which means at the same time, but I should be able to see all these on your app or on your presentation. You can use any app of your choice, really. You can use the TikTok app. It's brilliant for this. You can use presentation voiceover. It does allow you to show your face and go through your presentation with us, which is the same thing I'm doing now, but I'm just not showing my face because I'm really, really ill. So you can use that. Secondly, you need to include a picture of your first activity. The reason why I'm asking for this is that I can go through the journey with you. I can remember what you created initially and everything that you went through. The third thing that needs to be done is that you need to answer all the questions asked on the previous slide. These questions here that I've already discussed with you, the challenges, what you remove, what you edit, the materials of your choices and why, all of these, it's what I need to see on your presentation, please. And lastly, it's very important for you to include pictures of your bedroom. Okay, so the final product and the processes. Remember when I said, please take pictures of what you're doing? And I sounded like I was nagging. And I said to you, you will need this for your last activity, and this is the last activity. So now you might need to go back to your gallery and find all those pictures which you have captured. Let's look at the rubric, which will definitely assist you to score some marks. The criteria is over there, and I'll go through that with you. And I've allocated a mark, and you'll obviously score whatever mark based on how you have worked. You'll get 2 marks for the picture of your first activity. You will get 3 marks for listing all your challenges. Remember that your challenges are not going to be the same as your friends' challenges. So you can work with a friend or you can ask them a couple of questions, but you may not have the same challenges because whatever that you've created is not the same. Excuse me. List things that you have changed. List things that you would like to change, add or remove. All right. Or perhaps you've already changed these things compared to your design brief. If that is the case, I'd like to know why you did not do this, but you did that, and all of that. So the communicate and the evaluate stage is basically your chance to explain, your chance to say why you've used this and why have you not used that. So it's a beautiful platform for you to just walk me through your journey. Just give a brief on the choice of materials used and why. I've used a plastic to do this because of that reason. I've used maybe a box because of that reason. I have used a fabric to cover my wall or my bed just to match and make it look nice. Those reasons which you probably think are lame, they're not lame. I would like to hear all about them. This is you might need to go back to your grade 5 knowledge of natural science where you've learned about properties of materials, your transparent plastic, your hard cardboard. You've decided to use your cardboard because it's hard, and that your bed wouldn't collapse. All of that, you need to dig deep in your brain and really look at each and every material you've used and why you've used that material. You've used a matchbox to create your side tables because of XYZ reasons. So I'll give you 2 marks for explaining most of your materials there. The pictures of your process and your final product included in the presentation will earn you 2 marks. And lastly, you will earn 3 marks for the good choice of your app. If it's an app where I can hear you, see you, and see your pictures, you'll earn 3 marks. So Good luck on this activity, grade sixes, and you've worked really hard for the past 4 weeks. I love your bedrooms. I adore your hard work. And I would really like you to blow my mind, like blow my mind. Let me get excited when I watch your presentations. Once you're done creating your presentation, you'll obviously put it under OneNote as a link or as a downloaded video. And I will watch that and I will be marking you according to this rubric. Good luck, and this is due on, let me check my timetable here. This is due on, today's day 5. Sorry, I didn't think about when this is due, so I'm looking at my timetable now. I see you again for tech on the on Friday the 12th of March. You can submit earlier than Friday the 12th of March. That would be brilliant. However, everyone's video or presentation is due on Friday the 12th of March. So that's when I see you again for a double, for a tech double. And this is, yeah, your deadline basically. So between today and Friday the 12th of March, I will be reminding you, I will be nagging, I will be asking how far you are, I will be assisting, I will be looking through your work and doing what I do best. Okay, grade sixes, thank you so much for your undivided attention. And remember, be kind, be respectful, and stay safe. Goodbye.